Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new Family Doctor Layout Pack we think you're going to enjoy. This new Divi Family Doctor Layout Pack is tailored to doctors ready to get a professional website to promote their medical services, book appointments, provide valuable resources for their patients, and much more. All the content is showcased with clarity and cutting-edge design to give your practice the online presence families deserve. It even comes with a dedicated services page to display all of your services, also a dedicated individual service page, and a resources page. All right, now check out this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new Family Doctor Layout Pack on your own website. All right, so before you can start accessing these pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options. There, click the Updates tab, enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. After that, you should have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. Next, you're ready to start adding your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts from the Family Doctor Layout Pack to those pages. To start, go over to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout, and from the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll, find the Family Doctor Layout Pack, and select it. There you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and select the one that you want, and when you're ready, click the button Use This Layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to save or publish it, and then make sure and go ahead and go back and make any edits you want using the Divi Builder. And you'll want to continue the same process to create all of your pages and then add those other corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. After all of your pages are finished, you are ready to create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your new menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see all of the pages that you've created here. Go ahead and select all of them and then add them to the menu. From the menu structure area, you can organize the menu items however you like. Don't forget to set the display location to primary menu and then save the menu. Now that your menu has been created, you're ready for the final step, which is to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page, and then for the homepage, select your homepage that you created with the corresponding homepage pre-made layout. Then save changes. Now your website is up and running with the new Family Doctor Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way we can get you a notification every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.